Hello and welcome once again to the channel. Um, as always, today I'm going to be trying to solve these six out of the eight that you can see Nerdle puzzle variations. Let's try and do them as quickly as possible today, I think. So we're going to start, as always, 98 minus 75 still equals 23. Let's see what that gets us today. Quite a bit of information. We're going to need possibly something plus something. 74, no, let's go 75 plus 21. That gives us all different digits, and the digits that we know are correct are in different places. Oh, I so nearly went plus 24, but it could still be plus 22. I think this is a 50-50 shout. It could be plus 20. It very rarely seems to be 20, or a number ending in 0. I like 99. I don't like 99. So it's not... Oh, that didn't help. It could still be plus 20 or plus 22. This is rather unfortunate. This is because I insulted the numbers ending in 0. Well, I didn't insult them. I implied that they come up more rarely in this game. Oh, crikey. 5. That's one of my slowest ever. Yeah, joint slowest. Not my finest. I told you we were going to get through these as quickly as possible. I shouldn't have jinxed it. Right. Let's carry on with the Nerdle. Using the same start. The second one has given us quite a lot of information. Not so much the first. Let's try 79 minus, or what should we do? It's going to have to be 65 because we don't have a 2 or a 3. Oops. Ah. So everything is correct. There's no 6, so it's not going to be 76, so the 1 is not going to be there. And it's not going to be there, so it has to be minus 15. Which means it's going to have to be the 9 in the final digit, which means the 4 is going to have to go where I've put it. Which means it's equals 59. There we go. We don't have that much on the first one. It's not going to be a plus if it ends in a number between 10 and 19. So something times something. What have we got? 2, 4 and 6. Only even. 4 times 2 times 2 could work. Oh, permutations. There we go. I'm not too disappointed with that. I got 2 of them in the same number of guesses as it just took me to get 1 of them. Right, let's go to the instant next. Okay, so it's going to be something plus a 2-digit number over a 1-digit number, so plus 21 over 3, so it's going to be 6 plus, sorry, plus 21 over 7 to give us 3. Under 20 seconds, not too bad. Happy with that. I won't be able to do the speed one as quick. It's more difficult when they don't give you all of the digits to start with. So let's just start with 2 times 8 and see what happens. No, in fact, let's try 3 times 8. So that's 24 plus 1, because then that allows us to use all different digits. Okay, so the times is in the wrong place, but it's not plus. And the equals is in the wrong place. So the equals is now going to be there, and it's going to be a 3-digit result. So if it's a 3-digit result, that 2 in the middle is not going to help us at all, I don't think. It could be 7 times, oh. 7 times 30 something perhaps? The keyboard works. Hasn't been working previously, as you may have noticed. If it was times 38, that would give us a number that doesn't have 2 in the middle. It's not going to be 7 times something ending in 4 to give us something ending in 8. It's very unlikely to have an 8 here, so I'm thinking the 8's going to go there. That's what I'm thinking. We're going to need to fit a 3 in there somewhere, but we don't have a 1. Oh, this is the speed one, I forgot. I should have just been putting in things to try and do it as quickly as possible. What is 6 times 8? 228? That's plausible. Oh, that's how plausible it is. Oh, so few guesses, but it was quite slow. Right, so that's 4 done, so let's go over to the mini. Excuse me. What should we try today? Let's try 6 times 5, because it gives us a 0. Oh, typical that there isn't a 0. I thought there might be just because I made a comment in the earlier puzzle. So it must be 4 times 8, or vice versa, perhaps. There we go. So starting with 6 times 5 was actually quite useful, so I'm going to do it again on this one. And it feels like it's been less useful this time. So that top one, it's not something times 5, which means it's probably going to be just something plus something equals 10. But sadly we've still got a lot of options, although we don't, because it can't be 6 plus 4 or 7 plus 3. So it could be 9 plus 1, but I'm going to go for 8 plus 2 because then I don't duplicate the 1s. Okay, so it is 9 plus 1. I'll put that in a minute, but I want to see if I can use the second one to work out which way around those 2 digits might go. 32 divided by 8. Oh, I was convinced that was going to be correct. 24 divided by 3 then. Okay, same digits, different permutation, how interesting. So we don't know which way round these two are. So I'll try 9 plus 1, and of course it turns out to be 1 plus 9. There we go, 6 guesses. So it was fairly quick today, but quite a lot of guesses used on some of them. Apart from the speed one, where ironically I used a lot of time and not very many guesses. So a mixed performance today, I think. But thank you for watching, and join me again next time. Bye for now.